Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ubah Presiden Song sembut medirang ba ka jilla ubah kami ke Tanah District Council Affairs lapan kesan bekejing kenat hari lom garu kebelajar menta kamde setian kejing Bakla jong ke Sorkar Hendri Uloong ba ke Garu Hills Autonomous District Council Ladei perlong ya ke dor bar berkerpang banyak keren haga biade ba kejing pin bet thamai ya ke AD rules shwan pinmi ya kejing pin mana baki wepat kijai bendre kimla banichim benta haga election haga jinga keren kilat thai kubor hakat weduk leber arhajar pun riu ubat tinsong lo ongru bakam desa tia ka kamram jong ka Sorkar ban betha yaki Autonomous District Council bakin pinbet thamai lani pinrung ki kendon kat kum ke jing idan kam Henry kedehi ka kamram jong ki Autonomous District Council banle yakata
relating work.
Okay,
No,
so
no,
the
right
same.
now, no.
It applies to all. Cannot be piecemeal.
No. See, let me tell you one thing. The AD rules applies only to the respective district council. Khasi Hills, Jandi Hills, yes, we have AD rules, including Garu Hills. But at this juncture, what happened was, in Garu Hills District Council, seems the aspiration of the public is to amend the rules, of the ADC, which is being followed all these years by the people of the Garu Hill sector.
Sir, by now, is it only 2 deaths in Ghadc Hills?
Yes, two. No, see, you can't blame the government because this is fully the authority of the district council. As I said to you, this council also they have got the legislative power, they have got judicial power, and also they do have the executive power, more or less like state government, more or less like the central government. So you can't say that the government's failure is there. That's why the law and order crop up. It is not like that. In fact, the district council themselves, if they realize that, they should have had a special session discuss about this issue. Since they already knew it, why not they discuss this issue? Bring it to the district council session and then pass it. Then the next course of action will happen. So therefore, even from the government side, we have no role to play. It is not the duty of the government to say that, hey, you have to pass or you have to do the amendment of this. It is not possible. In fact, they are the leaders. They are the one who has to understand where to amend or where to again incorporate all those existing regulations, laws, rules, and whatever they have.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.